If you want more listening content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. A weekend that changed everything. Last year, I decided to take a short break from my busy life in the city. I had been working long hours for several months, and I was feeling tired and stressed. So, I planned a weekend trip to a small coastal town that I had never visited before. When I arrived, the first thing I noticed was how quiet everything was. There were no loud cars, no crowded streets, and no constant noise like in the city. Instead, I could hear the sound of the waves, birds singing, and the wind blowing gently through the trees. It felt peaceful, and I immediately started to relax. I stayed in a small family-run hotel near the beach. The owners were very friendly and welcoming. They gave me useful information about the town and recommended some places to visit. On my first day, I decided to explore the area on foot. I walked along the beach, watched the sunset, and took many photos. The next morning, I woke up early and joined a local tour group. We went hiking in the nearby hills. At first, I was a bit worried because I am not very experienced in hiking, but the guide was patient and helpful. Along the way, we saw beautiful views of the sea and the town below. I also met some interesting people from different countries, and we had great conversations during the walk. One of the most memorable moments of the trip happened on the second evening. I was sitting alone at a small cafe, enjoying a cup of coffee, when an old man started talking to me. He told me stories about the town's history and how it had changed over the years. He had lived there his whole life and had seen many things. His stories made me realize how important it is to slow down and appreciate simple moments. In my daily life, I am always in a hurry, thinking about work, deadlines, and responsibilities. But during that weekend, I learned to enjoy the present moment. Before leaving, I promised myself that I would make some changes in my life. I decided to take more breaks, spend more time in nature, and focus on things that truly make me happy. When I returned to the city, everything was the same, but I felt different. That short trip helped me see life from a new perspective. Even now, whenever I feel stressed, I remember that peaceful town and the lessons I learned there.
A journey to a new life. When I was a child, I always dreamed about living in another country. I used to imagine how different my life would be, what kind of people I would meet, and how I would communicate in another language. Years later, that dream finally became real. Last year, I moved to a new country for my studies. At first, everything felt exciting but also a little scary. The streets were different, the food had new flavors, and people spoke a language that I was still learning. Sometimes, I felt lost, especially when I couldn't understand what others were saying. However, I knew that this experience would help me grow. One of the biggest challenges for me was communication. Even though I had studied English for many years, speaking in real life was not easy. People spoke quickly, used idioms, and sometimes had different accents. In the beginning, I was shy and afraid of making mistakes. But over time, I realized that making mistakes is a natural part of learning. The more I practiced, the more confident I became. I also had the chance to meet people from different cultures. This was one of the most interesting parts of my journey. I made friends from many countries, and we shared our traditions, foods, and stories. For example, I learned how people celebrate important holidays in different parts of the world. This helped me become more open-minded and understanding. Another important experience was learning to live independently. In my home country, my family always supported me, but now I had to take care of myself. I learned how to manage my time, cook my own meals, and solve problems on my own. At first, it was difficult, but later I felt proud of myself. Of course, there were also moments when I missed my family and friends. Sometimes I felt lonely, especially during holidays. However, technology made it easier to stay in touch. I could call my family, send messages, and share my experiences with them. This support helped me stay strong. Living abroad also changed my way of thinking. I became more confident, more responsible, and more flexible. I learned how to adapt to new situations and how to respect different opinions. These skills are very important, not only for my education but also for my future career. In conclusion, moving to another country was one of the most important decisions in my life. It was not always easy, but it taught me many valuable lessons. I believe that stepping out of our comfort zone helps us discover who we really are. If you ever have the chance to live abroad, don't be afraid. Take the opportunity and enjoy the journey.
A long journey of self-discovery. There are moments in life when everything feels familiar and comfortable. You wake up in the same room, follow the same routine, and see the same people every day. At first, this kind of life can feel safe and peaceful. However, after some time, many people begin to feel that something is missing. They start to wonder if there is more to life than their daily routine. This was exactly how Daniel felt before he decided to change his life. Daniel was a young man living in a small town. He had a stable job, a few close friends, and a quiet life. Every morning, he woke up at the same time, drank his coffee, and went to work. In the evening, he returned home, watched television, and went to bed. His life was not bad, but it was not exciting either. Deep inside, Daniel felt that he was not reaching his full potential. One day, while scrolling through social media, Daniel saw pictures of people traveling to different countries, learning new skills, and experiencing new cultures. These images made him think deeply about his own life. He realized that he had been avoiding change because he was afraid of failure and uncertainty. That night, Daniel could not sleep. He kept asking himself important questions. What do I really want? Am I happy with my life? What would happen if I tried something new? These questions stayed in his mind for days. After a week of thinking, Daniel made a decision. He would leave his comfort zone and try to build a new life in another country. At first, this decision felt exciting, but soon it became frightening. Daniel had to deal with many challenges. He needed to find a place to live, learn a new language, and adapt to a different culture. His family was worried, and some of his friends did not understand his decision. They told him that he already had a good life and that he should not risk it. Despite these doubts, Daniel followed his heart. When he arrived in the new country, everything felt different.
The long road to understanding life. Life is often described as a journey, but many people do not fully understand what this means until they experience challenges, changes, and growth. When we are young, we usually think that life is simple. We believe that if we study hard, get a good job, and follow the right path, everything will be easy. However, as we grow older, we begin to see that life is much more complex. Every person has a different story. Some people grow up in big cities, while others live in small towns or villages. Some have many opportunities, while others must struggle to achieve even simple goals. Despite these differences, one thing is true for everyone: life is full of unexpected events. Emma was one of those people who believed that life should follow a clear and organized plan. She always worked hard in school and achieved good results. Her teachers praised her, and her family was proud of her success. Emma believed that if she continued this way, her future would be perfect. After finishing university, Emma found a job in a large company. At first, everything seemed perfect. She had a good salary, a comfortable office, and friendly colleagues. However, after a few months, she started to feel something strange. She was not happy. Every day felt the same. She woke up early, went to work, sat in front of her computer for hours, and returned home feeling tired. She had no energy to do anything else. Slowly, she began to question her choices. Is this really the life I wanted? She asked herself. At first, Emma tried to ignore these thoughts. She told herself that this was normal and that many people lived the same way. But deep inside, she knew that something was wrong. One evening, after a long day at work, Emma decided to take a walk. As she walked through the city, she saw people doing different things. Some were playing music, some were painting, and others were simply enjoying their time with friends. She realized that life could be more than just work and routine. That night, Emma made an important decision. She would try to change her life, even if it was difficult. The next weeks were not easy. Emma did not know exactly what she wanted to do. She felt confused and sometimes afraid. However, she started to explore different possibilities. She read books, watched videos, and talked to people who had different careers. One day, she discovered her interest in graphic design. She had never considered this before, but she found it exciting and creative. She decided to learn more about it. At the beginning, learning design was challenging. Emma had to understand new software, develop her creativity, and practice regularly. Sometimes she felt frustrated because progress was slow, but she did not give up. She spent her evenings learning and practicing. Instead of watching television, she worked on small projects. Step by step, she improved. After several months, Emma created a portfolio of her work. Although she was not perfect, she felt proud of her progress. This gave her confidence. Finally, she made a bold decision. She left her job and started working as a freelance designer. This was one of the most difficult moments in her life. She no longer had a stable income, and she had to find her own clients. There were days when she felt stressed and uncertain. However, she also felt something new: freedom. Emma learned many important lessons during this time. She learned how to manage her time, communicate with clients, and solve problems independently. She also learned that success does not happen quickly. It requires patience, effort, and persistence. As time passed, Emma began to build a successful career. She worked with different clients, improved her skills, and earned enough money to live comfortably. More importantly, she felt happy and satisfied. Emma's story shows that life does not always go as planned, and that is not necessarily a bad thing. Sometimes, unexpected changes can lead us to better opportunities. Another important lesson from Emma's journey is the importance of listening to ourselves. Many people follow paths that others expect from them, such as family, society, or culture. However, true happiness often comes from doing what we truly enjoy. In addition, Emma learned the value of courage. Making a change requires bravery because there is always a risk of failure. But without taking risks, it is difficult to achieve something meaningful. Technology also played a role in Emma's success. She used online courses, tutorials, and social media to learn and promote her work. This shows how modern tools can create new opportunities for people who are willing to learn. Moreover, Emma realized that failure is not the end of the journey. In fact, it is often a necessary step. Every mistake she made helped her understand what she needed to improve. Instead of feeling discouraged, she used these experiences to grow. Another important aspect of her journey was balance. At first, Emma worked too much and felt tired. Later, she understood that rest and personal time are also important. She started to spend time with friends, exercise, and enjoy simple moments in life. This balance made her more productive and happier. Emma also became more open-minded. She met people from different backgrounds and learned from their experiences. This helped her see the world in a different way and become more understanding. Years later, Emma looked back at her life and felt proud of her decisions. She realized that the most important thing was not having a perfect plan, but being willing to change and grow. Her story is a reminder that life is not a straight line. It is full of turns, surprises, and lessons. Sometimes we feel lost, but this can also be a chance to find a new direction. In conclusion, life is a long road full of learning and discovery. We may face challenges, doubts, and difficulties, but these experiences help us become stronger and wiser. Instead of fearing change, we should accept it as a natural part of life. If we are patient, brave, and open to new experiences, we can create a life that is not only successful but also meaningful and fulfilling.
The importance of change in life. Life is full of changes, and although many people are afraid of them, change is a natural and necessary part of human experience. From the moment we are born, we begin to grow, learn, and adapt to new situations. Some changes are small and almost unnoticeable, while others are big and can completely transform our lives. No matter how difficult change may seem, it often brings new opportunities and helps us become stronger individuals. When people think about change, they often focus on the negative side. For example, changing schools, moving to a new city, or starting a new job can be stressful. These situations take us out of our comfort zones, where we feel safe and confident. However, staying in the same place for too long can limit our growth. If we never try something new, we may miss important experiences that could improve our lives. One of the most important aspects of change is personal development. When we face new challenges, we learn new skills and discover our strengths. For instance, a person who moves to another country must learn how to communicate in a different language, understand a new culture, and solve problems independently. At first, these tasks may seem difficult, but over time, they help the person become more confident and independent. Another important benefit of change is that it helps us see the world from different perspectives. When we meet new people or experience different cultures, we begin to understand that there are many ways of thinking and living. This makes us more open-minded and respectful towards others. In today's global world, this ability is very valuable because we often interact with people from different backgrounds. However, it is also true that change can bring uncertainty and fear. People often worry about the future and feel unsure about their decisions. This is completely normal. The key is to focus on the positive aspects of change instead of only thinking about the risks.